Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Go ahead and enter YouTube from the address bar. Hit enter. Then go ahead and click on youtube.com. Now you are here. If you have not logged into your YouTube account, first thing first, make sure you log in. After you have successfully logged into your YouTube account, come to the profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google account. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on this camera icon right here. The next thing you want to do here, and go ahead and click on upload from device. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate where you have your picture. Then go ahead and select your picture, hit on open. Then once you are satisfied with the picture, click on next. Then click on set as profile picture. And it's that simple. So you can go back to your YouTube channel app, YouTube page right here. By the time we refresh, so you find out that the profile picture has been successfully changed right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.